Why are you so tired? It's 12:05.
I gotta go to sleep. Good night.
I diarrheaed.
He's gotta go to sleep at 12. Call Heath.
He's condom.
Where's his number?
He had to do star 6. What does his number start with? 9?
Oh, no, wait, just call him on my number.
903. No.
Yeah, star 7, 903.
These are all Sacramento and Barrow Oaks. None of these ones. Do star 67?
Mm-hmm.
Star
Should be in the
67.
recents. What is the area code start with in Michigan? 906
So old, Felinator.
or 906?
No, it's none of those.
Call your mom, ask what Heath's number is.
We already have it.
What is
Harry
it?
Chesticles.
He has it.
Hey, enter the number in
Harry Chesbians.
here. What?
Harry Chesbians. I should make an alternate Facebook account called Harry Chesbians.
They'd be so confused.
This Heath.
Just send Sue Morgan a friend request.
It's a bunch of Harry Chesbians. She'll be so confused.
What's Heath's number?
We're gonna call Heath.
I got a number for you to call.
What?
No, I want to call Heath.
916
Heath Condom.
No, we're gonna call Heath.
5323831. That's Bella's.
It's an old
Okay,
one.
I'll do that one.
What is it?
Bella!
Is that an old one?
Hey, hand me his phone. I'll do it.
How are you
Pass
calling
it.
people on that phone?
Throw.
What do you mean?
I'm not throwing
I
that.
thought they cut off your service.
It's back on.
Just throw it.
It could have broke.
Hey, can anybody? Oh, is he here?
Who?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, I needed that piece for my vape.
No.
I should show him my new vape.
It will be
No.
pissed. No, that was mine.
No, I bought this at the store.
Remember Curly James?
Yeah.
Yeah. The picture of him with the lazy eye.
That's so fucking funny.